Okay, we're back at it today. And I got Maya with me for the morning. Where are we going? Say the Hoven Co-op.
The Hoven Co-op.
Gotta get some tires ordered for the semi.
Yeah.
Time to spend a bunch of money. Let's get going. Okay, made it over to the co-op. Should we go get our tires?
Yeah.
All right. So I'm finishing cutting some ditches. When I cut them earlier, they were too wet, but now since it's been a little drier over the summer, they've dried up. But some of this grass is almost as tall as the tractor. It's mostly reeds, but it'll make decent, at least bedding for the cows. If not, it'll make some forage for them. They kind of pick through it, eat what they want, and lay on the rest. But yeah, this is some thick stuff. Usually we can't get down here. Sorry, got a phone call. But anyways, so this bluegrass, it makes decent quality hay, especially when you can cut it when it's nice and green like this. It makes a lot of hay since how tall and thick it is. But most years we can't cut this just because there's usually water standing right here. Even right now my tires are just a little bit wet, but there's no actual water standing. So we'll get this cut up and baled. I think it's going to make quite a few bales once you get it dried down. It's not quite so hot during the day, so the hay doesn't dry as fast as it did, say, in like July. My mower tripped. It's cutting kind of hard. See if I can clean off my sickle bar. There we go. So anyways, we'll get this made, get it baled up, and have more bales of hay for the winter time. So somebody asked me why I put my ditch hay separate than my other hay. Well, this is why. Because you find junk like this. This is a tire shred from a semi. That I'm gonna have to see if I can get off there. But anyways, basically I keep it separate so I don't like to sell ditch hay. I'll feed it to my own cows. But that's because I don't grind it. A lot of people, they take all their hay, grind it, and mix it with silage, cracked corn, whatever kind of food ration they make out of it. And if you grind it, well, this is gonna get turned into tiny little bits. It's gonna get in the cow's stomach and potentially cut them all up, and they could die from it. So that's why I keep my ditch hay separate from my regular hay. Also, people litter a ton. So all the litter bugs out there, just know you might be killing someone's cow when you decide to throw your beer, pop can, or whatever out, because I probably picked up 50, 60 beer and pop cans just in the few miles of ditch that I've cut this year. So we're back today, and we are redoing the whole cutting bar, or sickle, on my 930 flex head. And we're doing a Schumacher SCH Easy cutting bar system, it's called. So it's been a little bit of a puzzle getting it all put together, but we took all the old guards and sickles off. Here's all the old guards, bolts. We pulled the sickle over, and so we're slowly going down the line. This system has this style guards, and then it has these rollers that keep the sickle where it needs to be, so it's not too far up, too far down. And then the sickle goes right in between here, and these are close together, so it has these I'll show you the sickle, actually, your sickle section. So this is your sickle section, and this goes right in between here. It grabs your stock, whatever, and then slices it off and goes back and forth really fast. So when we actually start combining, I'll show you those. But we're redoing all this today, and it's been a little bit of a puzzle figuring out where stuff goes, and we've talked to the company a couple times, but I think we got it all down now, so we're going to be getting that finished, put back together. Alright, well, we pretty much got the head, or all the sickle done. We're waiting on a few parts. We got sent the wrong driver head that connects it to here. They had sent us the driver head for a 630 John Deere head instead of a 930. So this is what they sent me, and I need the ball and socket type style. And then I didn't get sent, I'm waiting for 3 different 3-point or triple guards, they call them. There's one there, one there, one there, and then it's a little bit long, and they say just to cut it to the right length. So once we get that driver head, we'll get it all lined up, and then we'll just hack it off right there where we need it. And then this part should be all done. There's a few other little things we got to do to the combine, like changing oil, hydraulic filters, just kind of standard maintenance stuff, but this should make it cut a lot better this year, I think. And yeah, we'll see how smoothly harvest goes. Okay, welcome back for another day. Should we let the chickens out, bud? Watch how they come out. They're all still sleeping. Alright, let's go get the eggs. Vaughn forgot to get the eggs last night, so we gotta do it quick before school starts. Okay, bud, come here. I'll get that. Okay, you want to start getting the eggs? I'll get it.
Not both at the same time.
Kind of loud this morning.
Girl.
That one and that one are kind of loud in the morning. Oh, here they go.
They're flying.
Usually they all come out at the same time.
Two today or 3 today? How much? Any more? Do you like the
Alright, let's go check over here. The other part.
This is not too much eggs.
I think there's more over here.
There.
Yep, let's go over here. Nope, no. Don't see any over there.
Aww. Those tiny ones are the cute guys. There's cute roosters.
There's the rest of the eggs. Okay, Polly girl, you ready to go? Okay, come get her attention.
Let's go over to the pen. Ow! Ow! That pen, buddy.
Gotta take Polly over to her other pen where she runs around during the day. Just run, buddy. it's getting a little chillier out. I think right now it's probably like 60 degrees, 55 maybe. So tomorrow morning we have a chance of getting down to like 35. So there's a good chance we might get a frost, but we'll know in another day or so. All right, there you go. You can start feeding her. Good girl, Polly.
She'll follow you if you have the bottle.
Yep. If anybody's interested why you drive a minivan, well, I got another bag of calf milk replacer, calf starter pellets, and in the back, 4 brand new semi tires. And I still got room for, I could ride 5 passengers if I wanted to. So looks like we're going to be putting on some semi tires later this afternoon. So then that truck will be pretty much all ready to go. All right, let's go get some tires changed. Time to go. Plug your ears. Now this is what we use to get the tires off. You gotta hit the tire hard enough, but you can't hit the rim, otherwise you bend it. There it is.
No, step down. No. Step down. There you go. There you go. All right. Matt's stronger than I am. There you go.
Yeah, I put tractor trays on by myself.
That comes right off.
Yeah, that's a slick tool.
And now you gotta put the block.
Forgot that I should probably change my valve stems. These ones are, I think, the original ones that came with the rim, so they're kind of getting little old, cracked. So I'm gonna run to town and grab a few new ones. Got it. There we got 4 for 4.
Yeah. Well, the first one we had to use the black.
Got back to my place and the tires ride nice. So I shouldn't have to put new tires on this thing for a long time. I put new ones on the front in 2020 and new ones on this year, and then the back ones have quite a bit of tread, so should be good for tires for this thing for quite a while, which will be awesome. Done with run project, and on to the next. I have another half mile of ditch I'm gonna cut. This is the last thing I'm gonna cut as far as I know. So I'm gonna go get that done and probably gonna end the video here. But Sarah made some super tasty muffins with the raspberries that we picked on Sunday. So gotta keep eating when you can. Have a good night. Thanks for watching. Well, I was gonna end the video, but I got stuck. Not that it's muddy, but apparently there's a little washout where the water runs. My tire sunk into it just enough that my other tire won't get enough traction to help just pull me out. So my neighbor Jim's gonna come and give me a little tow and see if we can just pop this tire out, because it's not sunk down in the mud. There's just a hole where the waters ran over the year that you can't see in the grass. So we'll get it pulled out. All right, one last thing, since I got a video of us planting the garden. This is some of the produce that we got out of it. We've gotten plenty of zucchini and cucumbers and tomatoes. We have a good chance of having frost tonight, so we picked pretty much whatever was red or orange. That's about ready, so we'll see if it freezes tonight. It might kill stuff, it might not, but we're just gonna get this stuff cut up and frozen and processed so we can enjoy it later this winter. All right, so here's where we're gonna end the video. My neighbor Jim came down and we brought my tractor down and got it pulled out. It did take a little bit to get it out of that hole. It looks like muskrats had built a home there at some point, so it's just a great big hole the tire fell into. So, but got it pulled out and parked it for the night, and we'll finish cutting there tomorrow morning. So have a good night. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment and share.